What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SNAP-SydniJolie. What's good? What's poppin'? Happy freaking 2021. Happy freaking 2021. I'm so glad to be back on camera. I don't know if you guys have or have not seen the video that I just posted on the foundation review that I just did. However, I did my videos a little in reverse. So if you are seeing this video first, Happy New Year to you. If you're seeing that one first, I already said Happy New Year, so go watch it. But I'm just so glad to be back, y'all. I feel great. I feel charged up. You feel me? Like I said in the previous video, I had stuff to get done. New intro had to get made to just get my life together real quick. The new year came very fast for me and I just was not all the way prepared. It's now the middle of January and I'm finally getting around to what I've been wanting to do, which was start filming my videos. I was still waiting on my packages. Y'all know it was like a huge holiday delay with like all my packages coming in and stuff. So yeah, everything was just kind of discombobulated, but now everything is on track. We are doing good. We are feeling great. I hope you guys are feeling great, and I hope the beginning of your year has been amazing for you. I know 2020 was very rough, and I just hope that we are all doing well. We are all doing better. We are moving towards our goals. It's kind of like as time goes on, you kind of adapt a little bit more to everything that's going on. And I know I've been just blocking it out, if I'm being honest, because it's like you can't be too in tune with the negativity. You have to be in tune with yourself, with God, with your mind. Everything has to be positive vibes. That's the only way that we are going to all as a whole make it through any of this, you know? So that's enough rambling. Today, y'all, I will be unboxing with you guys my January PR goodies. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't we just love the goodies? Don't we just love it? Like, I know I do. I live for it. Yes, I love to do reviews. I love to help brands by promoting for them, using my gifts and my talents to create content and just various things. If you know me, you know. If you hear, you know. If you're a warrior, you know. You feel me? So yes, we are about to get straight into it. And I guess we are going to start with the foundation that I'm actually wearing and I just did the review on. How about that? Yes, so this is how the box comes. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage Natural Finish Foundation, which also has collagen, peptides, niacinamide, and SPF 30. Okay, like, first of all, big shout out and thank you to e.l.f. Cosmetics and Influencer for sending me this right here, okay? Because I'm wearing it right now. It is bomb. If you guys would like to get into full details and a full review, make sure you check out the video that I posted on this foundation. However, I just wanted to show you guys, this is one of the things that I received for my January PR. All right, we are moving right along. So I also received, you guys can't see anything, but I received this lovely lighted, what do you call it? Yes, I received this LED lighted mirror from Conair, which I received it through Buzz Agent actually. You guys don't know what Buzz Agent is. It's basically a platform that's sort of like Influencer, but I feel like for Buzz Agent it's a little easier to get picked for campaigns and sent goodies or whatever. So if you guys would like to check that out, I will see if I have like a code or something for y'all. Maybe that'll increase your chances. I know a lot of people that watch like my reviews and stuff, they want to know how I did this kind of stuff or where I got started, and it's pretty much stuff like that. Apps and platforms like Buzz Agent is where I began. So yes, if you guys would like to, I will give any kind of tips. Leave anything below in the comments that you guys would like to know, and I will try to the best of my ability to help you guys, answer any questions you might have, etc., etc. But yeah, so this is the Reflections LED lighted mirror from Conair with 1x magnification. Let me get my words together. And it just says glossy finish, adjustable stand, slim design, and it comes with a USB port to use light. Oh, it says to use light but not for charging. That's completely fine because it is also battery operated, and it takes 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. I just used it today to do my makeup. So this is what it looks like, and you would like plug it in. Here's the USB port to get the lights to come on. I don't really use the lights on it because I have lights all around me, so that's that. But I absolutely love it. It has like a super slim design. It's very lightweight. It's not bulky whatsoever. This part right here comes down so you can like stand it up if you need to. Like that. See it like that. Yeah, that is pretty much it, y'all. And it retails for about $29.99. I saw it on Amazon and Conair.com. I'm sure you guys can find it on Google if it's like sold out or out of stock on those 2 websites. My favorite things about it is the fact that it's lightweight. The lighting is bomb. So if I'm ever like in a car or something, I need to just, you know, put my mirror on real quick. That's super convenient. And I love the stand. I definitely feel like it's worth the money, and in comparison to my old one, it's definitely better. I meant to show y'all my old one, but I don't know where it is right now. But it's definitely better. And what would I rate it? I would rate it a 10. Would I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. The only con that I have is I wish it was rechargeable. It kind of doesn't make sense to me that it has a USB port and it doesn't like charge. But however, it is still convenient because if you don't have batteries for it, you can just plug it right on in. It comes with the charger and everything, so that's a plus, you know? So big shout out and thank you to Conair and Buzz Agent for sending me that wonderful LED lighted mirror. And we are moving right along. So y'all, in this box of goodies, we have some wonderful things from Miatta Collections. Okay. I'm super excited to be collaborating with this brand. All right, so we have these two glosses right here. I will try them on, but I have my lip on already. Yeah, that's that. But this one does have a little bit of a tint to it. It gives you like a nice light. It's not too dark. It's not overpowering. It doesn't come up purple or anything, but it gives you a nice little tint, and it looks really, really good. Makes your lips look nice and plump and pink. And this one right here is more on the sheer side. It's more like clear, but I see some stuff in here, so I guess this one is like really good for your lips. I have not tried this one just yet, but we will be getting into it. I also received this other lippy. I don't know where I put it. It's in my purse because I was just wearing it. I will insert a picture or a clip for you guys of me wearing it. I love it. It's like a darker tone lip, and I don't really wear darker lipsticks and stuff like that, but it looks really good on me, and I think you guys should try it. If you guys want to go for something edgy, go for it. You know, that's how I felt the day I wore it. I'm like, let me just throw on a little fit to go with it and just try to make it pop. It is a matte lipstick, but I like to apply gloss over all matte lipsticks because I'm just not a fan of matte. So that's pretty much how that went. Also received this lip scrub right here, Miatta Collections. It smells amazing. Ugh. Like it's giving pineapple mango. Like it smells so good. I will be using this tonight actually. I just received my package not long ago, so I have not had a chance to really try everything yet. But I also received that. I also received this body highlighter, I want to call it. So you put it out like this. This is what it looks like. And you kind of shake it up. And then you would just like spray it on yourself. Or I think you can mix it in with like your moisturizer or whatever. And basically it's just going to make my skin really glow and look very glitzy and glamorous and highlighted. I also received these Miatta Collections brushes. And they say on here, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10-piece set. And like I said, they say Miatta Collections. Can't wait to use them and see how they work. I have a vacation coming up, so I'll definitely be using them. It's already in a little travel pack. I ain't even gonna open them yet. I'm just gonna save them and we're going on vacation with them. And I also received these lashes that I am wearing right now, y'all. And I feel like they go so perfect with this look. Originally, I had on these real long, crazy looking lashes, and I feel like they made everything look too extra, you know? So I thought about it. I'm like, I got the lashes that I just received in my PR box. Why not throw those on? They're super natural. They're full. You know, they're not really that long, but it's okay because sometimes certain looks don't need the extra 25mm long, crazy spider looking lashes, you know? Like, I feel like they went really well with this look. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Alright, y'all, so honestly that is pretty much it. I do have another PR package, 2 PR packages on the way, but one of them actually requires me to do a YouTube video. It's a brand called Carol's Daughter, so whenever that comes, clearly I'm just gonna do the YouTube video that I'm required to do. It's a requirement for the campaign. Sometimes campaigns require me to do YouTube videos, sometimes they don't. Most of the time, if I feel like I want to do it, I'm just gonna do it anyway, because it's like, why not? But yeah, that one actually requires it. So we're gonna wait until that gets here, and then we're gonna go ahead and proceed with that. The second one that I have on the way, I may or may not do a video, I'm not sure yet. But either way, you guys will see pictures and stuff on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at SydniJolie, SYDNIJOLIE. Make sure you guys don't miss anything. So that is pretty much it. I really don't have much else to say for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my January goodies. You know, I always like to keep my warrior gang in the loop and make sure you guys know what's going on. If you guys have any questions or anything at all for me, make sure you leave it below in the comments. Make sure you guys like this video if you love videos like these. Comment, share, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Become a part of the warrior gang. Tap that notification bell so you get notifications each and every time I post. I think that's it. And that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Any additional information will be listed in the description box below. And I will catch y'all in the next one. SydniJolie.